It's Brad's laboratory.
In order to lengthen the amount of time we can camp without running the generator, I decided to change all the lamps in the travel trailer from the original tungsten or halogen bulbs to LED. This required 23 light bulbs to be replaced. The standard light fixtures contain 2 lamps, and the portable units with the coily cord and fans used the same type of lamp but only had 1. The stove hood lamp was burned out. The dinette lamp had 2 bayonet bulbs. The lamp in the fridge was special and snapped into 2 bare prongs. The reading lights were somewhat special as well. And the final lamp was the outside lamp with a yellow lens. Amazon links are in the description for the LED replacements I bought. And you can see the meter's reading 13.07 volts running off the batteries. We're drawing 0.15 amps of current, 1.9 watts of power. Something's sucking power, and it's probably the refrigerator because I got the propane off right now. I start turning on more lights, you'll start seeing the voltage drop and the current go up. Here's another light here. So 4.5 amps. So we're just sucking away with these old tungsten light bulbs. So that's one of the things I wanted to try and figure out, is how much power I was going to save going to a LED bulbs all throughout the camper. And I think it's going to be considerable. I spent some time picking out lamps that would work best, attempting to get more lumens out of the lamp than the old one was, knowing that the power required would be drastically reduced. It was important on the reading lamps to buy an LED lamp with the chips on the end to push the light out of the fixture in. The total cost of the conversion was $76.69. The power consumption was reduced from 371 watts to 45.5 watts. That is a 325 watt reduction, or a decrease of 87.8%. Okay, got most of the lights on. That one, the 2 reading lights, that one, this one back here, this one under here, this one, the outdoor one, a couple more there, that one there, that one there, that one there, the one in the bathroom, and the one in the refrigerator. So drawn right about 39 watts of power, and just about 3 amps, and that's with all the lights on. So that's quite a reduction. Please note that I only did the lights that work when we're camping, not the tail lights or brake lights or any of the trailer lights that are driven off the truck while we're towing.
It's Brad's laboratory. It's kind of crazy and a little bit weird, but it's gonna be awesome sauce, cause it's Brad's laboratory. It's Brad's laboratory. So grab a spot, you'll learn a lot, maybe even how to build a robot, cause it's Brad's laboratory.